Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Abro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you unblock someone on a Spotify app. So to unblock someone on Spotify, just launch your Spotify app. Now in the bottom second option here you can see there is a search bar. Just click on this search icon. Now here you can see in the top there is a search bar. Just click on this search icon and just search for the person that you want to unblock. After searching for the person, in the top here you can see there are two options, which is music and profiles. Click on profiles. Now just go for the person that you want to unblock, and here you can see there is a three dot icon in the upper side of playlist. Click on it, and here you can see there is unblock option. If you just simply click on it, you can unblock this account. Now there is another way to unblock someone. Just click the top left here profile icon, click on settings and privacy, the last one, scroll down, and here you can see this option is privacy and social. Click on it. Now the last option is blocked users. Just click on it and you will see all of your blocked users here. You can just unblock them one by one. Just click on unblock and click on yes. So guys, that's how you can unblock someone on Spotify. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Take care, bro. Thank you so much for watching the video.